Let me show you how you can enable sensitive content on Telegram using the web version. This setting helps you manage what kind of content shows up, particularly things flagged as offensive or explicit. So let's jump right in. Important note, this setting is not available in the Telegram mobile app. You must use a browser. First, open your browser and go to web.telegram.org. Log in using your phone number and country code. After logging in, tap the three horizontal lines in the top left corner. Now tap on Settings. Then scroll down and tap Privacy and Security. Scroll all the way to the bottom and tap on Sensitive Content. If you want to block sensitive content, then leave it unchecked or disable it. If you want to allow sensitive content, enable this option by checking the box. And that's it. That's how you can easily enable or disable sensitive content on Telegram using your browser. If you found this video helpful, then be sure to drop a like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more useful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.